What if you could get healthy skin with just a tap? With the Cureskin app, you can. Let's walk you through it. First, download the Cureskin app. Open the app and select your language preference. And then authenticate your number. Now fill out some basic details like your name, gender, and age. After this, grant your location access by pressing on Use My Location. Now, select the area you need help with. Is it your face or hair? After doing this, a chat section will open up for you, where we will ask you some easy but important questions about your skin and lifestyle. The next and most crucial step is clicking your photos on the app. First, click your front face selfie. As soon as you do this, you will get your free skin analysis, where our AI technology will accurately find out the smallest of your skin concerns. Now, continue and take your side face selfie. And finish your chat. By this time, your skin treatment kit will be ready. On the treatment page, you can check clear instructions about how to use each and every product of your treatment kit. Now simply click on Buy Now to order your kit. Tap on Place Order and your kit will be home delivered in just 4 to 5 days. After receiving your kit, on the home page, you will see important information like instructions and checkup details. Tap on Click here to view the product instructions. Now, press on Play Video to watch demonstrations on how to use your products. After a few weeks, it's time for your doctor checkup. Upload your front and side face photos on the app again. Within 24 hours, your doctor will prepare your checkup report and send you a voice note talking about your improvement.
Hi Neha, this is Dr. Jisha. Your inflammatory acne has reduced and your dark spots also look better.
You will also get a free diet plan for holistic skin health. From time to time, we will also remind you to get product refills. Just tap on Place Order to reorder them.